doesn't look like gym either. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Now it's second day of Holi, and we are at the Durbar Square in Old Town, and some kind of a ritual will take place here in 20 minutes, and right now it's 5:40. Imagine that. Oh, and there's a full moon as well. Yeah, if you can see. Oh my god. I think they will burn that kind of statue or whatever. You will see. Yeah, it's possible.
At first, we did not fully understood what is happening. Suddenly, the shots fired from gun gave a start for people to take down and rip off all the hanging decorations of Chir, a tall pillar that heralds the spring festival of Holi in Kathmandu.
Just attack that statue. Yeah. We should do the same, I guess. If we're doing that together. There's something left. You remember yesterday they've been like they were tying threads on that on this thing and carrying and doing everything. Basically, they're trying to destroy everything. Yes. Wow. Okay, let's go, maybe.
The Nepal army fellows took Chir remainings and with many other people surrounding them, carried it for around 1 kilometer to Tundikhel ground. wasn't too easy since the streets are almost too narrow for such tall pillar.
You know, you need to put really a lot of effort to destroy evil. Yeah, it's not that easy. As you can see, there is more people that don't really like to walk, so they just came here.
Once we reached Tundikhel, we found even more people waiting for the main action. The entrance to the ground was guarded by police with fence, but gladly they let us in, although it seemed we were the only foreign people there.
फेरी शुरू कर सको सभी महिलाओं से अनुरोध है आपकी फेरी शुरू कर लो फेरी शुरू हो चुकी है जल्द फेरी करो और पूरा 5 से 7 मिनट को सभी को माना है जल्द से जल्द महिलाओं
Soon enough, huge fire was started to burn the Chir, marking the end of the festival of Holi for the year. We read an article from Online Kabir, a most viewed Nepali news portal, that explained us what's happening. Interestingly, the Chir ritual is connected to Marwari community, an Indian ethnic group that originates from the Rajasthan. According to Mahabir Prasad Bhiraya, a member of Marwari Sevak Samiti's ad hoc committee, his community has been facilitating the process of burning the Chir since 1953, for exactly 70 years now. Mr. Kiraya also emphasized that it is an opportunity for Marwadis to bond with Nevari and other Nepali communities alike. He also noted that the Chir at Tundikhel is burned along with cow dung and ghee. He explained, as the seasons change, the fire and smoke that comes out acts as a disinfectant to kill the harmful components and insects in the environment.
इधर से ही आना
जिंदगी में एकदम कम
एक तो भी कोई बात नहीं
No idea what was that about, but that was beautiful. So that was second day of the Holi, and we participated in the very interesting ritual. Yeah, we observed this kind of a pagan-like ritual. It reminds us of a Lithuanian one, when also in the spring we burn mora. You can Google that.
You can see now that.
Yeah. So it's interesting that cultures all over the world have some similarities in case in spring and fighting with evil.
Yeah, people just like burn stuff.
Obviously.
Okay, that was second day of the Holi, and probably it's now time to go back to sleep. Still 6:30. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.